Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about the Division 2 Error Code Alpha 03. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. According to our research, the error comes when users try to log in. As per our research, this error is likely related to network connectivity issues. It may also occur if there is a problem with the game servers or if the game is not updated. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the network. Simply turn off your device and internet router. Then wait for a few minutes, then turn them back on and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try disconnecting and reconnecting to the internet. Simply go to your network settings and disconnect from your current network, then reconnect again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then check if the game needs to be updated. Simply go to your game library or app store. Then look for any pending updates for the Division 2 and install them. Then check for the error again. If you still get the error, then try switching to a different network. For example, if you are on Wi-Fi, then try playing on your phone's hotspot and see if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, go to the official Ubisoft website at ubisoft.com/en-gb/help/game/The Division 2 and check if the game servers are down. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back up. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.